Good morning, everybody. Today's Saturday, December the 13th on Lake Cumberland today. Pretty daggone foggy. I put in at Waitsboro, which up the river a ways on Cumberland. For those not familiar, toward Burnside. It's going to run down the lake a little bit, but it's too foggy right now for me to be running down the lake. So we'll fish up in here in Pickman Creek a little bit, fish this big channel swing, and this fog burns off, and then we'll run down the lake. Unless we're whacking them here, then we'll stay here. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Didn't have that camera on a second ago, guys. I just lost one on the previous cast. It's a little bigger than this one, not a whole lot. This is on the Laurel River Pro Red Bud rock crawler. Little brownie. There we go. Thank the Lord. We'll get into some fish here. I mean, I didn't even feel like a bite. Pretty good largemouth though. That's a good one. Did not even feel like a bite. On the Laurel River Pro Red Bud rock crawler. Look at that, guys. Look at that hole in that fish's mouth. You see that? That is from a cull tag. Well, I think maybe its tongue sticking out there. I don't know. Oil fish, I don't know how to eat. I'm gonna say it's from a cull tag that's
the clips in the mouth. It may not be. Like 2 pound. 2.5. Laurel River Pro. Thank you, Lord. Another one didn't feel like a bite even. Like he's even a keeper. Gone, every one of these fish got a cull tag hole in their mouth. Oh yeah, he's a keeper. He's a keeper. Guys, Cumberland is a grind today, which it could just be me because I pretty well suck on Cumberland most of the time. Except for it. Every now and then I can get on a decent cranking bite. The old A-rig, that pull tag hole. Guys, don't do that. It never grows back. Thank you, Lord. Skinny, but he does keep. these. £1 9 ounce. Tough day, guys. That was on the Laurel River Pro red bug rock crawler. Thank you, Lord. It's a largemouth. Unusual for Cumberland for me, anyway. Dropping, I'll take them. He's a keeper. Another keeper largemouth on the Laurel River Pro red bug rock crawler. He ain't a monster, but he's a keeper. They've been hard to come by. Thank you, Lord. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. I don't know. I struggle, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the lake's not fishing good. I figured today'd be rough. You know, we've had a pretty good cold front come through the last few days. Not really colder temperatures than we've been seeing, but just, I don't know, snow, and got a bad cold front coming in tonight. I don't know if that's affected it or if I just suck on Cumberland. Could be both. Probably the latter more than anything. I come to the upper end of Cumberland today because I knew it would have better watercolor for cranking up here, but then most of the day we had, after the fog burned off, we had sunshine and no wind. The wind didn't pick up till about 3 o'clock. Caught a few fish, caught 4 keeper largemouth, little dink smallmouth, and then another decent smallmouth get off at the boat. I don't think I'm gonna have that on camera because I didn't stop. Well, what happened there, guys? I was talking, doing my outro, and the camera died, so I just started it back. But anyway, I had a decent little smallmouth get off at the boat. What I was saying there, I probably won't have it on camera because I don't think I stopped the recording to save it. But all but one of my keeper largemouth came, and both of the smallmouth that I had Came on this Laurel River Pro red bug rock crawler. I caught a lot of fish on Cumberland on that color rock crawler by Laurel River there. He's going to be at the Southeast Kentucky Fishing Expo in January. I'm not sure the dates on it, but you can look it up there. Pittsburgh Marine puts a lot of stuff on it about it on Facebook. You can look it up there. It's sometime in January. I can't remember, 13th, something like that. But Shane's going to be there with Laurel River Pro, and he's going to have a stockpile of his rock crawlers and little johns, and I'm sure some other stuff. But he's got some really cool new colors of the rock crawler coming out that'll be making their debut at that show. So if you're in the Southeast Kentucky, Northeast Tennessee area, be sure to stop by and check him out. His crankbaits catch a lot of fish. But anyway, that's going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you.